Welcome to naturally.co Cooking with Tara. Today we're going to have a simple peanut butter cookie recipe that does not require a chilled dough. This is a great recipe for on the fly. This is one of my favorite recipes for any time of the year, simple and easy. Take your dry ingredients, combine them in a bowl and mix, and just set aside for later. In a different bowl, take the eggs, butter, and sugars, beat well, and mix. Make sure you scrape the sides. You want that even mix. After the butter and the sugar mixture is well beat, it is time to add your vanilla, eggs, and don't forget about that peanut butter. Once all your wet ingredients are mixed together, that means your butters, your sugars, your peanut butter, and your egg, it is now time to add your dry mix that you prepared earlier. Make sure you add it slowly. Make sure you keep scraping those sides to get that even mix. Once all your ingredients are mixed well, almost like a Play-Doh, so have fun with your peanut butter Play-Doh and start making your balls. Once your balls are round about 1 inch to 1.5 inch, I like to use a scoop. Just roll them in some sugar and it's time to place on your lined sheet pan. Once your balls are on your sheet pan, give them a little pat down to get ready for that fork signature stamp. Now it's time to place in the oven for baking. If you are interested in putting a Hershey Kiss or a little small Reese's peanut butter cup, this is not the time to do it. You are actually going to place them after it comes out of the oven for that great holiday cookie. I hope you enjoy.